not gonna like this. Like at all.
Man, what was up with the witch being on top of the ambulance? That was just dumb.
That was mean.
Grabbing a shot.
Ceda's not coming. City's gone to hell. It's used the sugar mill as holdout. Place is crawling with witches. Ah, god damn it. See, just like I told you.
Yeah, this is a candy factory, right?
The mill is full of witches.
I don't like witches.
Alright.
Anything.
Save
Fuck,
the,
bitches get money.
save the med packs for the way back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like I said, we go back for the fucking thing check.
We got this. Come on, guys.
Then I'll leave that Molotov here, too. Jeez Louise.
Moving out.
What is that?
That freaky thing.
Yes, that's right. It's a nigga moving.
We were doing like different. Okay.
I knew, but now
Jeez Louise, what is that? It's Starfax. Starfax.
Stare back.
Not me on a car.
It's not Kim Possible.
I saw
Yeah.
a Kim Possible costume this year. Kim Possible and Ron.
Nice.
This year?
They better not have been making out, or else that would have just been.
No, it was two
That would
chicks.
have ruined my. Oh well, that would have actually been awesome.
They ended up together in the show.
I know, but then the show was not as good after that.
What
It jumped the chart.
what's your OTP?
My OTP, I don't care who either of those two end up with. I just felt like the show got worse after they got together.
Oh, okay. Fair
Because
enough.
it was supposed to end before that, you know. Oh, there's a jockey on me, David.
But then it was so good that there went more episodes.
I'm down.
Yeah.
The jockey, he's still alive.
Not anymore.
Yeah, I'm okay.
He's
Did I get
dead.
that kill?
Welcome to Adam and Tara, where a bunch of grown adults, most of which are male, talk about Kim Possible.
Dude, fuck you. Kim Possible is awesome.
You got whenever we're ready.
Yo, who wants a chainsaw?
Yeah, you can take it. Oh boy.
I do, but I'm not playing, so.
You got
Fine, I'll take it. Drop my samurai sword for a chainsaw.
Sounds like a fair trade.
Hunter somewhere.
I think it's
They're right
He's
there.
on me.
there's a smoker thing.
I reload. Alright, we're good. Keep going.
Anyway, Impossible was a great show. I don't know what you're making fun of me for.
I'm not making fun of anybody.
It is
It's a fantastic show.
Sorry. Whatever I just hit with my frying pan, I apologize.
I ship Kim and Shigo.
Everybody ships Kim and shit.
I'm grabbing a
It has
pipe
to
bomb.
be insane, to not ship. those two. I hear
Kim
the-
and she go.
Witch,
Ship
witch, right,
Kim and
right
she.
here.
Ah,
Kill it.
Hold on, Spitter.
Fire power.
oh god, Jesus. Witch and a
Is there a
spitter.
shotgun back
Yeesh.
there?
Guys, I
Really?
think we've got to touch this witch.
Is this
Or
possible?
the witch could be moving.
John!
I shouldn't
Around her.
This could just be a total friggin' dead end.
It is a dead.
Everybody out.
God, how does you
Oh
slip
no, the witch
past
is
her?
in the way again.
Yeah, I didn't
No,
know
we gotta go
witches
this way,
just
just-
walk around like that.
Just avoid her. Come on.
Quick, 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 quick.
She's turning around. Oh. I didn't see you guys going that
We're
way.
fine. We're fine. Also, it's raining finally.
Another wick, another
There's
freaking wick.
another. Oh, good.
Kill them all.
Alright, this.
We gotta go up the.
Just barrel past her. She's not looking at us.
We gotta go up this ramp.
Oh boy.
Oh god.
There's a charger right there. Let's go. 305. Oh, okay. Not the left side. Not the left side.
No witch.
There's the charger. Okay, I'm down.
Defend me while I heal this pin.
No.
Ow.
Ah, sorry.
Oh, fuck, Hunter.
Hunter.
Hunter, Roger was not dead.
He's still not dead.
No, he's still not dead. Okay.
Where is he?
Now
Oh,
he's
wait,
dead.
fuck, this way.
Okay. I should be on the right side now.
I think you're outside.
You're outside, Kyle.
Alright. Okay, you're right.
Okay, alright. She's
We gotta go.
closer.
We gotta go past the witch.
I feel like we can walk around. No, I guess not.
Fuck. Well, are you prepared
Okay.
for this?
I'm back
I'm
with
ready.
0
I'll
engines.
go. I'll go.
Want me to try to headshot her?
Actually,
Ah, spitter! Nope, not a spitter. Smoker.
just walking.
Can we get her?
So do
Can
we
we
have
get
to
around
take
her?
care of this bitch?
We don't know yet. I have a sniper. I can shoot her in the fucking face.
I've
Okay.
got her in my
Okay.
sights too.
Nice. Good job.
Please. Alright.
Job done!
Nice.
I just
Okay,
like
there's another one. There's another one.
Okay.
Want to do it again, or you want us to headshot her?
She's looking at me. She's looking at me. She's screaming a little bit. Did we get rid of that smoker?
I think so.
I don't think we did.
Oh.
Okay, Kyle. Alright.
sorry, I thought it was something else.
Nope, we did not take care
We
of
did not get rid of the smoker. Now we did.
You shouldn't have shot her until we got rid of the smoker first.
I thought it was another zombie. I was just picking things off.
It's better.
Well, we got her either way, so.
Oh, damn it. Down. Shit. I
Everybody
watched
is
it
down,
too.
boys.
Even though I'm like nowhere near her, dude.
That's weird. What happened?
Alright, I'm heal up real quick.
Do a little dance. Wrap yourself in gauze. Get down tonight.
Witch. Another
Alright,
witch.
we can walk past
Underneath
her.
that trailer.
We can walk past her.
I think somebody's trying to tell us
I'll be
something.
right.
Oh, Hunter.
Hunter.
Boomer.
Oh, God.
Sorry, Jess.
That's alright, no problem. I didn't even see him, so.
He was right behind you. That's why. Charger.
Charger on me. Oh, boy. Oh, no. No. You threw the pipe at the fucking witch? The
What?
two witches over there? You threw the fucking pipe
I'm
at the
sorry!
two witches?
I didn't even. What? I wasn't aiming for that.
It's okay. Okay. We got him. It's okay.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so
It's
sorry.
It's okay. They're dead. They're
That
dead.
chainsaw, we
I
gotta
was
go.
aiming in the other direction.
I gotta go get Don up.
Get up. Now!
I had it.
All right, thanks.
I didn't even know there was two witches over there,
I ain't
actually.
dead yet.
I didn't even know I aimed it in the direction of the witch, so.
Don't worry about it. They're dead.
Yeah.
We survived. We lived. Living was involved.
Okay, so.
I just taken us into a dead end, or... Oh, where... Matt, how'd you get up there?
Magic?
Yes, you
There a ladder?
Yes.
You took us to a dead end.
Magic ladders.
I climbed on the ladder, and
Hey
then
guys.
I dropped down for you, Kyle.
When in reality, who's going the right way?
Hey, I found ladders first, too.
I don't actually care. I was just.
Is this the right way? I don't think so.
I don't think any of us are going the right way. I think we gotta go through that big
Reverse.
building over there. And we need to go now before they
I hear a
start
boomer.
throwing zombies at us.
Yeah, it's over there. I saw him. What was it? He disappeared.
Alright.
Alright,
We gotta
let's go.
jump down, guys.
There's a bunch of zombies there.
Ah, boomer. Hunter.
What are you guys doing down? Oh, wait. I guess I'm the one up here.
Did I just see a rock being thrown?
No.
I hope not.
No.
See, this is down here where we were fighting the witch.
Yeah, well, we need to come over here to this building. Oh, now there's a tank.
Oh, good.
Oh no, we're about to die.
There he is up top. Now he's down low.
Oh no. Okay. Do that now.
Got it.
I need some.
Alright, give your adrenaline shot to Jess. I'm black and white. Can you heal me?
I ain't gonna make it.
I've got a med pack.
You are shooting me.
I don't have a med kit.
I'm glad I grabbed it
Alright,
because you guys told me not to.
we gotta make our way through here. And I hear a witch.
Yeah, I was gonna say, watch there be another witch.
You know what they say.
The
The
more
more
the
the merrier.
Yes.
Exactly.
I need some ammo so bad.
Yeah, I'm low on ammo too.
I don't have any.
Yeah, I don't have any ammo except.
I got 4 shots left in my gun.
I hear a jockey.
He's over there.
Yeah, he's over there.
Coming up.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah,
he was
man,
about
he
ready
was.
to jump on you too.
Yeah. Cut him out of the air.
I didn't see anything
Honestly.
useful in that room. I have 1 health, so I'm gonna get. Yeah.
Alright, bunch of pipe bombs.
Did you say a bunch of cock bombs?
Pipe bombs. Get your mind out of
Oh,
the
we gotta call the elevator, and none of us have any health. And,
Ammo.
There's a witch right there. You see her?
yeah.
That's a hunter.
Nope.
Alright,
There's a
right
hunter
on.
right there.
This is not a good scene because I don't have
I
any
get my
bullets.
time.
Give your frying pan of justice, though.
If you can get me up, I've got a pipe bomb.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh no. No.
Oh, shoot. Kind of bounced into where we are. Okay.
Right there. Oh no, no, no,
Over
no.
behind you.
No, I'm even gonna pick Jess up.
I'm up.
Oh, okay, just kidding.
I'm black and white though,
Oh
so.
boy.
Oh god.
Hey, buddy. It's
How
out.
dead?
Is that a charger? Oh, it is.
Charge
Yep.
Get out of my face.
Oh, Matt's dead.
Yeah, Matt's
It's done up.
What's they've done?
Trying to, these motherfuckers
It's okay.
leave me alone.
It's alright. I'm down.
Oh no, we're all permadead.
We're all legitimately dead. Not down. We're all dead.
You and your friends have died.
Alright.
What is the plan here, Kimosabi?
Speedrun. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, get ready to fight the Void.
The void.
Void.
I'm staying right here by this elevator. There's
Avoid the
corners
noise.
here. Charger!
No ceiling
And,
zombies out
and
there.
a jockey got Jess.
Somebody get it off me.
Take a pill.
Great.
Oh, yeah.
These are those
And
climbing
no
zombies.
health. Don used my health pack well.
Kyle's like, I'm gonna stay right here in the corner and get attacked by both a jockey and a charger.
Poor Kyle.
Please do keep me alive. I have the grenade launcher. Boomer and smoker combo.
Yeah, they're both dead.
Get up.
Get in the elevator.
The goddamn motor.
Prepare.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, it's
Fuck you,
going
zombies.
down.
Fuck you, zombies. Fuck you, zombies.
Now we got more down here to deal with.
Who has
Take
a
a pill,
pipe
pal.
bomb?
I've got one.
Those ones are dead.
Hopefully I don't hit a witch this time.
Oh man.
Oh,
Fields.
friggin' this
Oh,
is the
speaking of whom.
We're going to run into witches. I'm sorry. It's a
Yeah,
fact.
she's right next to you too.
Oh, there's another one in there too.
Shoot. Hang on.
I see it. I see
Reloading.
at least.
Matt, get out of my way.
Don, where you at?
He's in the fields.
Oh fuck.
Alright.
Off to a good start.
You guys told me to shoot it, and then you left me. I'm in black and white.
N-O.
Here, I got pills. You want those?
Who told you
Yes.
to shoot it?
I didn't hear any of us
Actually,
telling you to shoot it. Oh crap.
Oh god.
I can't give you any pills because you're all the way fucking over there.
Head to the side.
Alright.
My lord.
Gas inside.
Gas inside.
Can we stop shooting
Here.
each other?
There's the witch back there. Ah, fuck.
You startle her?
No. Just get in the
I'll
safe
save
house.
room's right back here.
Oh, this is a safe house?
Yes.
Get your asses in here.
Alright.
Bye, zombies.
Excellent.
I have been told horror stories of finding witches in safe houses. Hey, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
You had a rocket launcher.
Grenade launcher.
That kind of put.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Something that explodes.
They both explode. Yeah, that put the odds significantly in your favor.